Today we're printing wirelessly from an Apple iPad. The only stipulation you need is with the wireless printer, it needs to be an AirPrint printer. So today we're using a Brother MFC J5620, which is one of our Business Infinity printers. And the iPad and the printer need to be on the same wireless network to be able to print directly to it. Now, we'll look at three applications that we're printing from. So on the iPad, same is true on the iPhone. So we're currently looking at web pages, printing photographs and printing from email. So to give us an idea, if we look at the web page, for example, what we're looking at doing is using the forward arrow at the top, and it gives us a drop down. On this menu, actually, we need to scroll across to find print, because by default you can't see it, but when we move across to print, it asks us to select our printer. First time you use the iPad wirelessly, you will need to select the printer on the network. We've got two printers currently on here, but we're going to move it to the 5620, and it gives us a number of other options with regards to number of copies. So we just got it on one copy currently, but you can also print on the drop down double-sided or change it to black and white. We're going to leave it as it is, so we're just going to hit print. Looking at the other options we were looking at as well, they're slightly different, but the process is the same. On the photograph, for example, if we choose a photo, and again gives us an option to print below. If we set that going, the printer is currently printing. Again, so it looks slightly differently, but exactly the same principle. Similarly with email, again we're using the forward arrow at the top here, gives us the option to print. Again, we're selecting or making sure we've got the right printer. Just loading up a preview, which takes a short while. On this one, we just flip it back to single-sided. This is being a little bit slow, and then hit print. And move across and have a quick look and see. Our printer's currently receiving data, but we've currently printed our web page, and that one we did ask it to print double-sided. It's now printing the photograph, which is going to be a little bit slower, so we'll wait until that starts to come through. But that's how to print wirelessly to a Brother printer from the iPad.